YouTubers. This is Solar JA and I'm your host Leon. I am going to unpack my brand new crimping tool that I bought on Amazon. It's pretty much affordable and it's a good thing to have when you decide to go on solar. So let's see. Okay, this is it, and it's in a nice little insulation here. Let me get this off. This is guess it's a user's manual. Nothing much, just shows sizes that this can manage and so forth. So this is it. This is my crimping tool. This is going to be pretty useful for me, I know, because the one I had before was not good and the review on this tool was great, so I decided to get this one for a very good price. So see myself using this tool in future videos. Alright, thank you. Like and subscribe.